Hello and welcome. Today, in this session, we are going to solve example number 10, which is given in your pamphlet. Now, first of all, we are reading this example number 10 and we are solving the same. Example number 10, the budgeted overhead and cost driver volume of XYZ are as follows. So, for XYZ, it is given. It means that company is producing XYZ. So cost pool means the total cost in various activities given. Budgeted overhead rupees in given. It means that for material procurement, total budget is 5,80,000. For material handling, it is 2,50,000. For setup, it is 4,15,000. Likewise, machinery 7,20,000. The cost driver and budgeted volume. So number of orders is 1100, number of movements for handling this material. So this cost pool is given and cost driver is given. So directly we can find out cost driver rate, right? So by dividing this into this, we can find out cost driver rate. Now what is being asked? The company has produced the batch of 2600 components of AXY. This is product AX15, right? So its material cost was 1,30,000 and labor cost was 2,45,000. So here specifically it is given for product AX15, right? The usage of activity, it means that for manufacturing of AX15, the said batch are as follows. The material orders 26 they have taken. So total is 1100. So out of that 26, maintenance hours 690, material movements 18, inspection cost 28 and setup cost 25 and machine hours is 1800. Ascertain the cost of batch of component. Batch of component means this is the batch and component AX15. So for AX15 we have to find out, we need not to find out any cost for other products. Okay, so we are interested in AX15 only, right? It means that all products are not important here, and the data is also not given, so we cannot find out. So from this information we can find out cost driver rate per unit we can find out, and for AX cost driver rate per unit we can cost driver rate and cost driver rate per unit we can find out for AX15. So let's start step by step. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट इन शॉर्ट। हमारे यहाँ ये जो दो इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, इससे हम कॉस्ट ड्राइवर रेट पता कर सकते हैं, कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। और प्रोडक्ट एक्स वाई एक बैच के लिए इतना सारा एक्टिविटी यूसेज दिया है, उसे स्टेप नंबर 2 बना के कॉस्ट ड्राइवर रेट पर यूनिट फाइंड कर सकते हैं। और कॉस्ट ऑफ बैच हम फाइंड करेंगे, मतलब जो पार्ट 3 है, राइट, स्टेप नंबर 3 है, इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, हम पूरा उसका टोटल कॉस्ट लेके आएंगे, राइट। तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप ओनली ABC वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट। राइट डाउन आंसर नंबर 10, आंसर नंबर 10। तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमको गिनना है। तो स्टेप वन इज नथिंग बट कैलकुलेशन ऑफ व्हाट, कॉस्ट driver rate, calculation of cost driver rate. How to find out cost driver rate? It's very easy now. Activity cost divided by total cost driver, right? So these are the activity cost is given, right, and cost driver is already given. So see, this is very simple example. So you can see here, right? और मेरे साथ साथ आप कैलकुलेट करना, जो भी है मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ, ये याद रख के हमारा जो पैम्पलेट है इसमें से देख देख के मैं लिख रहा हूँ। तो फर्स्ट कॉस्ट इज मटेरियल प्रोक्योरमेंट, Write down material procurement, and material procurement is based on number of orders, right? So total cost is 5,80,000 divided by 1100 orders. So it comes to 5 rupees 527.27, right? Similarly, we can find out for all. So second, material handling, material handling. Okay, base is already given number of movements. So number of movements. So what is the total? Total cost is 2,50,000 divided by how many movements? 680 movements. So it comes to rupees 367.65. Similarly, find out for all. Third, setup cost. Setup cost based on number of setups. Number of setups. 4,15,000 is the cost, and number of setups are 520. So it comes to rupees 798.08 per setup, right? This we can write. This is per movement and this is per order, right? Next is maintenance. So I will write here maintenance, and maintenance cost is based on maintenance hours. Maintenance cost is based on maintenance hours. So 9,70,000 divided by 8,400. So it comes rupees 115.48. 115.48 per maintenance hours, not machine hours, but maintenance hours. Fifth one is what? Product quality control. Yes, quality control. And quality control is based on number of inspection. Number of inspection. Total cost is 1,76,000 divided by number of inspections are 900. So divided by 900, so is 195.555 per inspection, right? If we do inspection, so one time it costs 195. Sixth one is machinery. Machinery cost, and machinery cost is based on number of machine hours, right? So 7,20,000 divided by 24,000 comes rupees 30 per machine hours, right? Per machine hours, right? So this material cost and machinery cost, this all we have found it out, right? Now what? Now company is producing a batch of 2,600 components, right? So company is producing 2,600 components, and labor cost and material cost is given, and total cost we need to find out using ABC, right? So step number 2 is we need to find out the cost driver rate per unit we can find out, right? So step number 2, I'm writing here, write down step 2, and then we'll calculate what? Cost. So write down calculation of cost driver rate, right? Cost driver rate. Here we can find out per unit also, and here we can find out what? Total also, right? Per unit or total. we find out total, then it comes total, right? So whatever we will do exactly what we have learned, right? So what is the formula? This is cost driver used into cost driver rate, that is step 1, divided by number of unit produced, right? So first, material procurement, write down material procurement, and material procurement is based on whatever, right? So product AX15, right? What is the usage? Material procurement is based on number of orders. So I'll write first of all number of orders. How many orders are given? Orders are given. You can see number of material orders is 26. So can I write 26? So only one product we have, 26. Cost driver rate. Cost driver rate is step number 1. Find out 270, sorry, 527.27, right? And divided by 2600. Okay, 5.27 it comes, right? Second, second is your material handling, right? So material handling, and material handling is based on number of movements, right? So product AXY, which is a one batch, so 18 into 367.65 divided by 2600, it comes to 255, right? Similarly, you can calculate third point, machine setup, and machine setup is based on what? Number of setups, right? So product AX15, earlier we were used to write A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc., etc. Here only one. So driver use 25 into 798.08 divided by 2600. It comes to 7.67. Next, fourth point, maintenance. Maintenance, and maintenance is based on maintenance hours, right? So product AX15. So I am quickly doing this. 690 into 115.48 divided by 2600, right? It comes to 30.65, right? Next, fifth point is quality control, and quality control is number of inspections, number of inspections. So number of inspection for product AX, AX 15 is equal to 28 into 195.55 divided by 2600, it comes to 2.11. And sixth point is machinery cost. Machinery cost is based on machine hours or machinery hours. Product AX15, it comes to 1800 is cost driver used into 30 rupees is the rate divided by 2600, comes to 20.77. So these are the cost driver used, right? So step 2 is over. Now look at this. Ascertain the cost of batch. In batch, we have 2600 units, right? So we have to find out cost of 2600 units, not cost per unit, which we were calculating, right? So step number 3. Step number 3 is nothing but statement showing cost sheet, cost of batch, complete batch, right? Only one product, but complete batch we need to find out. So particular and amount. So write down particular and amount, right? So first of all, write down material. Material cost is 1,30,000, which is given, plus labor. So direct labor, write down labor, direct labor. Direct labor is 2,45,000. It is given. So total comes to 3,75,000. It is nothing but prime cost. Now we are using ABC, right? So we are using a activity based costing, and these are the rate per unit. And we have how many units? 2,600 units, right? So we have to multiply 2,600 to each and every steps, right? So we need to multiply everything and we have to find out the rate. So I have already done, so I am doing for you. Write down add overhead, and overhead based on ABC. The first cost is material procurement. Material procurement. Whatever the rate, multiply by 2,600, it comes to 13,709, right? Then write down material handling. Material handling, so it comes to 6,618, right? Machine setup. Machine setup. Machine setup is number of setups, 19,952, right? Then maintenance. So whatever the step 2 into 2,600, maintenance, so 79681, right? Quality control is 5475 or 75, yes, 0.40, right? Last is machinery. Machinery cost 54,000. Now do it the total 5,54,435.40. This is cost of batch. Cost of batch, right? So cost of batch was asked, so we have prepared cost of batch. It is not cost per unit. Cost per unit is not asked. Cost per batch is required. So we have find out cost per batch. So per batch is 5,54,000 rupees is the cost, right? I hope that you understood this question and you are able to give correct answer in examination. So thank you very much for watching.